Hi, this is Neha, and this might be the 11th or 12th part. I don't remember. You can see here. So, hello Dee. I have not purchased my laptop yet, and I'm going to start my first year. Is it necessary to purchase in first semester? Textile design department. Okay, so it does not matter from which department you are, because for design, like ADFD, TD, LD, KD, everyone studies in like same classroom. They have like different batches, but they are all mixed. Like every department studies in the same like something. Do we need to purchase laptop in first semester? Okay, we require a laptop in first semester, but I would not suggest you to buy Abhi before college, because you will not know which kind of laptop, different departments, different type of laptops you will be needing. For like FC, you will be needing very high graphic one, जिसमें तुम सारे सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर सको, जो कि बहुत क्रैश ना करे and all. For AD, it's same. You will require a gaming laptop, literally a gaming laptop, which is around maybe more than 70 or something, 70K something. So you will have to invest in that, because AD people uses very heavy software like Blender, Rhino, then AutoCAD, then Fusion. This all are very heavy. So you will be requiring a good laptop. For TD, it's mostly Photoshop and Illustrator. So I think around 50-60 वाले में तुम्हारा काम हो जाना चाहिए. But still you need to like discuss it with your professor and like your seniors, because a laptop is very like big purchase. You are not investing some small amount, you are investing a big amount. So for that I will suggest you should like talk to your seniors, talk to your department के seniors, your professors, and they will guide you, और वो तुम्हारी हेल्प भी करेंगे कि कौन सा लैपटॉप अच्छा होगा तुम्हारे लिए. और एफडी के लिए भी एफडी पीपल रिक्वायर विच हैज टच स्क्रीन, बिकॉज उसमें दे कैन डू देयर फॉर्म्स वगैरह, उनको इलस्ट्रेशन, डिजिटल इलस्ट्रेशन बनाने होते हैं, तो उसके लिए जरूरत पड़ती है. तो या सो उसके हिसाब से तुम रिक्वायरमेंट्स जानो और तुम दिवाली में लो. या बिकॉज इन दिवाली इट हैज लाइक दिवाली सेल और समथिंग. सो उस टाइम पे there are too many laptops which are like new laptops get launched, and उसी टाइम पे so many sales going on like previous जो पुराने थोड़े से laptops होते हैं, जो एक साल लगभग हुआ हो, 6 महीने हुआ हो, जिनको रिलीज हुए या फिर 2 साल हुआ हो, तो उन पे सेल आती है, तो वो थोड़े कम के होते हैं. तो you can buy your laptops in that period, because I also bought my laptop in that period only. और जो 3 महीना होगा, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर में दिवाली होती है, तो 2 महीने जो तो होगा, you can use college का laptop. Every campus has IT department, so IT department has like around maybe 40-50 computers. Like it has Mac lab also, Windows lab also, because in my so I had, and I think most of the campuses would be having that, because it is basic infrastructure. So you can use from there, and they have all the like Sketchpad also, so you can use that also. Use 2 months के लिए उनका computer, and then you can buy a good laptop in your budget or something from like Diwali sale or something. So yeah, this is it. You can comment if it is more helpful, because the views are less and it is demotivating for me. So I am not gonna put, अगर इस सब videos पे अच्छे views और अच्छे likes नहीं आए तो, and comments, by the way, I need appreciation.